Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, massive bull run is coming for this market. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? Guys, right now in this digital asset space, we are literally seeing history in the making, and things are literally popping off like crazy one-on-one. And I know this analogy is probably going to date me, but I remember back when I was a kid, we used to get these things called Jiffy Pop. It was a little tinfoil pan with a tinfoil cover, and inside of it was popcorn, and you used to put it on your old stove and you just run it along there, and all of a sudden you'd hear pop, 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 and then this whole thing would just absolutely mushroom up like a little tinfoil bag and all that kind of stuff. Now, for those that remember that Jiffy Pop, I'll tell you, that's pretty nostalgic for us. But the point I'm making is this. Right now, things are absolutely popping off like crazy. Various assets moving. I mean, look at Cardano. Then you saw Solana. Then this one and that one. It's all taking turns, it seems. Well, guys, that is exactly how it felt in the last bear market to bull market and Judy and I lived through. And I'm going to tell you what, there are other people out there. You're watching this channel right now and you remember what it felt like when we were transitioning from that bear market into the bull market and how things just arbitrarily seem to be popping off like crazy. Well, I'm going to ask you, put that experience down in the comments and just let other people know that have never been there to see it. What's coming next? Because guys, what is coming next is probably, in my opinion, going to be one of the most massive bull runs that this space has ever seen. And guys, I am not the only one. Just check out this article right down here. Now look at this title. Massive 600 billion bull storm knocks for XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. Now just listen to this. Big news hits the crypto market as $596 billion flood into the crypto space. And get this, guys, in Q4 alone. This raises queries about a gargantuan bull run for crypto majors like Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. In a recent research report, Binance explores various indicators and narratives to assess whether the crypto market will sustain its upward momentum or turn in the other direction. Now, guys, just listen to this bit right here. A year to remember. The report begins by highlighting the impressive performance of crypto throughout the year, with a staggering 110% growth since January. Now, that's not the best of it. The best of it's yet to come. The overall value of cryptocurrencies has since surged. Now, get this, injecting over $870 billion in capital. Now, do you think that $870 billion just in 1 year is all retail? Not on your life. Guys, we are watching institutional adoption happening, and it's happening in a powerful way. And that is one primary reason I believe that this next bull run is going to be the biggest and the most massive bull run that this digital asset space has ever seen. And you are talking about generational wealth creation, in my personal opinion. Now, listen to this. This increase has pushed the total market capitalization beyond, get this, the $1.6 trillion mark. Now, notably, a big portion of capital inflow came during Q4. Binance's report reveals a remarkable 55% rise in the crypto market during that period, which comes to around that $596 billion in capital. And guys, that is exactly what my point is. When we went through that last bear market as it was transitioning from 2020 into 2021, when we were going to see that new bull market, we saw major influxes of cash coming into the market and things just started to pop off. It appeared like there was no reason whatsoever that you would start seeing major double digits, 10, 15, 20%, 30%, bang, 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 bang. And that is exactly what's happening now. And I'm going to tell you from being there, it feels the absolute exact same. It's literally like deja vu. And I'm telling you guys, what's coming next is going to literally blow most people away. Most people are not even going to be prepared for it. It is going to literally leave them absolutely gobsmacked. I kid you not. It definitely did for Judy and I. It was truly powerful. But what's coming next, I think, is going to make 2021 look like child's play in comparison. Now, listen to this down here. A positive sign highlighted in the report is the rebound of stablecoin supplies. This is the first time since Q1 of 2022 that the stablecoin supply has been positive. Binance suggests that the number of stablecoins is a crucial indicator of readily available capital for crypto investments, and the positive trend could be a promising signal for a bull market. The report also delves into the non-fungible token market. NFT volumes have experienced a notable increase, breaking an 8-month downtrend and witnessing, get this, an incredible 200% month-on-month increase in November. Another surprise is that Bitcoin has emerged as the preferred blockchain for NFTs, surpassing Ethereum. That is truly remarkable in volume. The report doesn't stop there. It points out other promising indicators such as an 84% fee increase for the top 20 crypto projects in October, exceeding September levels by over 100%. On top of that, total value locked in decentralized finance has seen a surge and an 18% month-over-month rise in DeFi. Now, guys, I genuinely believe that decentralized finance, DeFi, is going to play a major role in this next bull run. It is going to be huge. That's my personal opinion. But you're also going to see ecosystems like XRP with the utility that it holds in transitioning us literally from this antiquated system into an absolutely brand new form of transactional value, the Internet of Value, and it is going to be massive. The influx of $596 billion in crypto is going to have a significant impact on the market. And with these indicators showing positive signs, according to Binance, a crypto bull run might be around the corner. When the market is moving quickly, it's best, they say, to remain cautious despite positive sentiment, as this can be dangerous territory for many traders and investors. Guys, I'm going to tell you what. You've literally got Larry Fink, the CEO, of BlackRock out there, and he's literally saying, hey, listen, they're sitting on the sidelines something like $33 trillion that will pour into this space with a Bitcoin ETF. Now, a rising tide raises all ships, and that's why, guys, I believe this next run is going to literally be absolutely make history in comparison to what we've previously already seen. Now, something I want to show you that is really quite amazing, and this is coming out information from Raoul Pal. Now, Raoul Pal used to be a big time guy over with Goldman Sachs, and he certainly knows his stuff, and I want you to listen to this. Financial expert Raoul Pal says 100%, now get this, of his net worth in crypto, XRP, and Solana. 100% of his liquid net worth he's got absolutely invested in crypto and in XRP and Solana. Now, this is a guy that is absolutely no slouch. You need to actually check him out. He has an amazing channel, and he provides heaps and heaps of information to this space. But just listen to this article right down here. Raoul Pal, the CEO and co-founder of Real Vision Group, has revealed that crypto makes 100% of his liquid net worth, alongside his precisely timed entry into XRP and Solana, labeling it, get this, guys, the opportunity of a lifetime. Now, if you think that look, we're out here and a lot of us are investing our, hundreds or our thousands or whatever we've got to dollar cost average. These guys are literally throwing down millions and billions of dollars. These billionaires are going out there, and what are they willing to put at risk? Now, you think for 1 second that they're going to put tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars at risk if they think it's not an opportunity? And he's literally coming out and saying, hey, it is an opportunity of a lifetime. This disclosure from Raoul Pal emerged during a recent live podcast featuring pro XRP attorney John Deaton discussing the next phase of the crypto industry. Pal's revelation regarding his strategic entry into the XRP and his overwhelming net worth position in crypto were notable highlights of the conversation. During the chat, Deaton probed Pal on his overall optimism for the future of the crypto space, acknowledging him as one of the true leaders navigating the industry. Pal's response reflected the depth of his involvement in the crypto realm. Pal remarked, I used a traditional finance investment framework, but really 100% of my liquid net worth is in crypto. It has been, get this guys, for the last 3 years. Now, I'll tell you what, that is somebody who's out there who's doing his due diligence, his research. He has built up his confidence and his conviction, and get this, guys, he's acted upon it. This is why I'm always out there telling you, research it, and see what you come up with. And based on that, you go out there and you build up your own confidence, and you go out and determine, hey, what's my risk tolerance? And this is amazing when you hear about it. While Pal acknowledged his interest in emerging technologies such as AI and robotics, he noted his first love was crypto. I just love this whole space. I love the people in it. I love what it stands for. A system changing in front of your eyes. These are amazing things. What a time to be alive and a part of this, the financial expert added. Meanwhile, Raoul Pal disclosed his strategic entry into XRP after being influenced by an insightful friend who provided perspectives opposing the prevailing narrative. He noted that the SEC lawsuit against XRP, get this, marked an opportune moment for him to invest in XRP, as he observed many leave the XRP market during the period. He viewed it as an opportunity of a lifetime. And guys, most times when opportunity presents itself, it doesn't feel like opportunity, does it? Why? Because most people at that time are absolutely terrified. Remember, it's the whole fear and greed index that's going on. And you know what I love? When Warren Buffett comes out and says, hey, I get really greedy when most people get fearful, and I get really fearful when most people get greedy. And the opportunities of a lifetime present themselves when things are really at a low rate. And right now, if you think the price of XRP is high now at 60 some cents, which it's absolutely nowhere near where it's going to go, in my opinion, I'm telling you, the day will come when people will salivate for the prices that XRP are at today. I kid you not. That's my personal belief. In addition, Pal drew parallels between his XRP and Solana investments, both being made during crises when the prices dropped. Hey, dips are for buying, not for crying. Per the disclosure, his decisions were guided by the recognition of vibrant communities engaged in real blockchain use cases. Guys, I'm telling you, you go out there and build up your own conviction. But when you hear these kind of testimonies from people that are putting literally tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars on the line, you have to ask yourself one question: why? And that's the question I'm always asking, and I come up with those answers. Now, guys, just take a look at this article right over here. Ripple to hit $1. Look, by the end of this month, analyst chips in. Listen to this down here. XRP to surpass $1 before the end of 2023. Ripple's native token XRP has been on a downtrend in the past few days, with its price dropping from almost 70 cents to its current level of approximately 60. I think today it was like 62 or 63. However, some analysts remain optimistic that the asset would reach a new yearly peak before New Year's Eve. The popular X user eGreg Crypto presented two possible scenarios that could be in the cards for XRP. The first one, described as the blue route, indicates that the token's price might be on the verge of surpassing $1.20 in the following weeks. January 2024 might just be the moment when things really start moving, the analysts claim. The coin could then experience a significant correction before skyrocketing, get this, to an all-time high of $5.50 by the end of 2024. XRP might take another path named the green route. That scenario is more bearish in the short term, showing that the asset could plunge to around 50 cents by Christmas. But get this, on the other hand, it might also lead to a price explosion towards a whopping $22.50 by July next year. I'm leaning towards the blue route for how things might happen, but I'm cheering for the green route to hit its goal. Guys, I'm telling you what, if we see a dip back down to those 50 cents ranges, I am going to be backing up the truck. I kid you not. The crypto analyst using the X handle JD also thinks XRP's price could jump in the near future. According to them, the asset's potential to bounce on a weekly close could propel substantial gains. If it breaks back below the trend line, it could be a false breakout. Guys, I'm telling you what we're looking at right now when you see these charts. And by the way, one person I really like and enjoy to watch is CoinsKid. Now, if you haven't seen CoinsKid, go give his channel a follow. It is really an eye-opener. This guy has nailed some serious prices in the past, and what he's showing on the charts is truly phenomenal. And we are in right at that precipice where we could literally watch XRP absolutely take off. Now, another bull market is coming. Look at these. Markets are in cycles, right? So for every bull market, there has been a bear market. Now, for every bear market, there's a bull market. Now, ask yourself this. If we're in a bear market right now, is another bull market coming? Time immemorial, they have all the way back to the 1600s. And if another bull market is coming, should the prices be higher or lower than they are right now today? Well, obviously they should be higher, right? The deal is this, we just don't know how high or how far, but from what we've seen in past trajectory and history, guys, I'm telling you, it changed our lives. It changed Judy and I's life in a powerful way, and I believe that it's going to change so many more lives. Guys, when you are looking at this kind of stuff going on, and you're seeing these kind of dollars literally in one quarter, 600 billion. Now, that is not retail. Like I say, that is institutional money. And guys, I'm telling you what, they are biting at the bit to take a major chunk out of this space. I kid you not. And so for Judy and I, we've gone out there, we've done our research. We absolutely believe what we're saying. And I'm telling you what, we got that ticket. And I can't wait to take that ride, absolutely shooting right through the stratosphere. So guys, right now we are literally watching how lightning fast things can change in this space. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, And in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.